Today we will see Planet First Environmental Science 3rd Standard CBSE textbook. In this we will see Unit 5 Food and Shelter. In that Chapter 14 Home Sweet Home. Home Sweet Home. Chapter 14 Home Sweet Home. Let's dive in warm up. The picture shows an unusual home that is found on water. Do you know what this type of home is called? Where in India do you think such homes are found? A house on water. People need homes to live in. Homes gives us shelter for the blazing sun, thunderstorm, rain, hail, snowfall, etc. They also protect us from wild animals, insects and other creatures. Our home keeps us safe from robbers and thieves. A home is where we sleep, eat, relax and live together with our family. In the beginning, humans lived in caves and on trees. Slowly, they began to build simple houses. Today, we can see different types of houses across villages, towns and cities. Different types of houses. You have already read about Kacha houses and Pakka houses in class 1 and 2. Houses can also be broadly divided into two other types, temporary houses and permanent houses. Temporary houses can be moved from one location to another, whereas permanent houses cannot be moved to other locations. Houses can be of different shapes, sizes depending upon where they are located. In most instances, their location also determines the material they are made up of. Let us learn more about different types of houses. Houses that can be moved. Some people live in movable houses. These people need to go from one place to another in search of food and water for themselves and the animals that they rear. They set up their tents in different locations. The tents are made up of skin of animals that they keep. The tents are also sometimes made of canvas. The Bedouins in desert areas and the Mongolian cattle herds live in the tents. Igloos. Igloos are the houses with the Inuit tribe that lives near the North Pole. The North Pole has very cold climate and is mostly covered with snow throughout the year. An igloo is a building that is made from snow or ice. They have very small entrance which prevents the loss of heat. Their inside walls are covered with animal skins which also prevent the loss of heat. Houses made of wood. People make wooden houses and log cabins in mountains and near forests as plenty of wood is available in these areas. These houses have slanting roofs in hilly areas which help the snow and ice to slide off easily. A log cabin with slanting roof. Houses on stilts. Houses on stilts are built in areas that are flooded regularly. The stilts ensure that the main house remains far above the reach of water. They also ensure that the occupant of the house remains protected from attacks by wild animals. Modern day houses. These days, cities and towns are developing at a rapid rate. Many new bungalows, single, double, triple and multi-story buildings are being built. A multi-story building is a tall building with a number of floors. It contains many houses. Each house in a multi-story building is called as a flat. Apart from these very tall, skyscrapers have been built in cities across the world. The houses in cities and towns are built using strong materials such as cement, brick, iron and steel. A good and clean house. It is necessary to maintain a clean home. A clean home protects the family against diseases and keeps everyone healthy. Ventilation. A well-ventilated house should have enough doors and windows to allow lots of sunlight and air in. Fresh air is necessary for good health. Sunshine helps in removing dampness from the house and stop the growth of germs. A well-ventilated living room. Safety. A good house must be safe to live in. It must have strong walls and roof to protect us from heavy rains and storms. There should be a boundary wall to stop the stray animals and strangers from entering the house. The doors and windows should have strong latches to lock them. They should have wire nettings to keep away insects such as flies and mosquitoes. Cleanliness. A house is healthy and comfortable only if we keep it clean. For keeping the house clean, the following points must be kept in mind. Keep all the things in their proper places. Sweep and mop the floors of the houses daily. Use phenyl and other floor cleaners. Throw the household waste only in the covered dustbin. Dispose the household garbages at the proper place. Keep the bathrooms and toilets clean and dry. See that all the drains are well covered and clean. Keep the kitchen clean and free from insects. Have a good chimney or exhaust fan in the kitchen to drive away any smoke. Clean the dirty utensils soon after using them. Do not allow cobwebs to form in the houses. The surroundings of the house should be kept clean. Puddles of dirty water should be removed. Dirty water encourages mosquitoes to breed. It is the joint responsibility of all the family members to keep the house clean. Decorating our home. We decorate our home in various ways to make it look beautiful and provide us with comfort. During festivals such as Deepavali, we decorate our houses with different kinds of lamps. Traditionally, earthen lamps were used during Diwali. These days, lamps made of colorful paper, cloth along with electric lights are also being used. The entrance and the floors of our house are decorated with rangolis on festivals such as Diwali, Pongal and Onam. A rangoli is a pattern or a design made on a floor of a house using colorful natural substances such as rice powder, turmeric powder, flower petals, leaves, etc. These days, colored powders are also used to make rangolis. During Christmas, we decorate the house with star lights, banners and a Christmas tree. Houses are decorated with lights and flowers on Eid too. Apart from the decoration done during festivals, there are other traditional ways of decorating the homes in India. People make drawings on the wall, hang wine chimes, etc. to make the house homely. A Christmas tree surrounded by colorful gifts. Let's read it, summing up Home Sweet Home. Different types of houses: tent, caravan, slate house, wooden house, log cabin, modern day houses. A good and clean house, proper garbage disposal. We must share our household chores to keep our home clean. Decorating a home, rangoli, diyas, drawings, wind chimes. Exercises. Fill in the blanks. Our home also keeps us safe from robbers and thieves. Houses can also be broadly divided into two other groups, which is temporary houses and permanent houses. Houses can be of different shapes and sizes depending upon where they are located. The kitchen should have a good chimney or exhaust fan to drive away the smoke. Match the following: modern day houses built using strong materials, houses on slates in flooded areas, skyscrapers, very tall buildings in big cities, caravans, houses on wheels. Write true or false. We should keep our house dirty and untidy. False. Houses on slates is a type of modern day home. False. The Inuit tribe builds igloos. True. Log cabins are made up of wood. That is true. Answer the following questions. Why does everyone need a home? Why is good ventilation necessary? Do you like to live in a clean house or a dirty house? Give reasons for your answer. What do you do to keep the house clean? Then solve this given crossword across. Yes, this completes the chapter. Thank you.